Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on local device visibility in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our songs. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on settings and privacy, then on apps and devices, and here if you scroll down we have local device visibility under other devices. We can turn this on and this way, only devices that are connected to our local Wi-Fi or Ethernet are going to be shown in the devices menu. Which means that only if our devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network are we going to be able to control them between each other. Yeah, I guess that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.